And finally, after 3.5 hours, nakarating na kami. Ito na, parating na kami sa Buscalan. So I guess you could say touchdown. At very excited ako. And the weather is fine, malamig, hindi naman siya kalamigan. But then again, kita mo naman open sky at nakikita mo na yung horizon. Tanaw na rin yung bundok. Andyan yung bundok at maraming tao. Okay, so medyo dalawang isip muna kami, no? Well, wala namang iisipin dahil nandito ka na eh. So anyway, touchdown and welcome to Buscalan.